How to view iCloud photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All besides Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud over here. Then, tap on iCloud Photos. And then, turn on the Sync This iPhone feature as shown. Now, go back and open up the Safari application. Go to iCloud.com. Tap on Photos at the top. You can now view all your iCloud photos over here. Following these steps, you can easily view iCloud photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.